Understanding Databricks repos, a collaborative version control system, is key for students in data science and analytics. Presented by DWBI Adda Videos, this guide covers its features and benefits. This presentation includes an introduction to Databricks repos, practical usage tips, and strategies for leveraging it to enhance learning and collaboration among students and professionals. Databricks repos is a powerful tool within the Databricks environment designed to streamline version control and enhance collaborative efforts among data science students. Databricks repos integrates seamlessly with Databricks notebooks, offering features like version history, branching, and merging, making it essential for students to manage collaborative data science projects effectively. Databricks repos enhances collaboration, maintains version history, and streamlines workflow with branching and merging, making it indispensable for student teamwork in data science projects. Databricks repos integrates into the Databricks workspace, providing a familiar environment. Understanding its user interface and best practices maximizes its potential for efficient collaboration and version control. Databricks repos is perfect for classroom projects, research collaborations, and industry applications, providing students with real-world experience in collaborative version control. Setting up a repository in Databricks repos involves creating, configuring, and managing repositories, ensuring students can effectively handle permissions, access control, and collaborative workflows. Students can learn branching strategies, merging changes, and conflict resolution, essential for managing collaborative development efforts and maintaining codebase integrity in Databricks repos. Best practices in version control include committing changes with clear messages, conducting code reviews, and emphasizing documentation and collaborative communication for effective knowledge sharing. Databricks repos integrates with Databricks notebooks, enabling students to track changes, manage versions, and collaborate on analytical work, ensuring synchronized and version-controlled projects. Leveraging Databricks repos for learning and collaboration enhances students' ability to work together on data science projects, benefiting from shared insights and collaborative workflows. In classroom settings, Databricks repos facilitates group projects, allowing students to collaborate seamlessly on data science assignments and share their work efficiently. Students can observe and contribute to their peers' work, gaining valuable insights and diverse approaches to data science and analytics through collaboration in Databricks repos. Databricks repos supports collaborative data analysis projects, enabling students to work together on research initiatives, share findings effectively, and ensure reproducible and well-documented work. Proficiency in Databricks repos prepares students for real-world scenarios, equipping them with collaborative version control skills essential for data science and analytics projects in professional settings. Integrating Databricks repos into educational curricula enhances students' learning experiences, providing practical exposure to collaborative version control and preparing them for careers in data science. Thank you for exploring Databricks repos with DWBI Adda Videos. For further inquiries, please contact us for more information on enhancing your data science and analytics projects.